Hi everyone! In this lesson we are going to learn about the coordinate plane and how to graph lines. This lesson helps you see algebra visually, not just with numbers. So the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane is made of two number lines, the x-axis, which is horizontal, and y-axis, which is vertical. So they cross at a point called the origin. Point on the coordinate plane is written as an ordered pair. First comes x and then comes y. The origin is written as double O, and x tells us how far left or right, and y tells us how far up or down. So we can see it in the example. So this means that we move 3 units to the right and we move 2 units up, like this. Plotting points. Let's plot a few points now. So our A point gives us this plot, and now we need to determine the point. Where is it located? And this is the exact point where it should be. And why is that? It's because we move 2 points right and we go up by 1. Our second point is B, and we move left because of the fact that it's -1 here in the x, and our y axis is 3. So C. Our x is 3 here on the x-axis, and our y is -3. So we go right by 3 and we go down by 3 here. That's why this point is there. So our top tip is to always start at the origin. We move left or right first in the x-axis, and then we go up or down by y-axis. So line. What is a line? A line is made of many points that follow a pattern. We often write lines using an equation. We will move to this. So slope, rise over run. So the slope of a line tells us how steep it is. Slope is written as like this, and the y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, like there. So, example of slope, this. So find the slope between these points, our old point and our new point. So our old x point is 1 and our new x point is 3. Let's see the change of y, the change in y, and we just subtract the old point from the new point, and here we get 4. We subtract 2 from 6, and in the x it's the same, there goes the same. We also subtract the old one from the new one, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So as we have seen here, our slope got to be rise over run, and that's why our slope here is 2. So, by the way, rise is change in y-axis and run is change in x-axis. Equation of a line. So, A very common form is this, where k is the slope and b is the y-intercept graph. So y equals to 2x plus 1. Our first step is to plot the y-intercept like this, and our second step is to use the slope. Slope is 2, as we said that k is the slope. K here is 2, and that's why our slope is 2, which means rise 2 and run 1, which means that we go up 2 and we go right 1 in every move. In other words, what we are trying to find here, first we find the starting point, and when x equals to O, y equals to 1. So we plot it like this. So now next look at the slope, and the number before x is 2. So the slope is 2. That means that we go up 2 and we go right 1. So summary, let's review. The coordinate plane has x-axis and y-axis. Points are written as x first and then y. Slope is rise over run. Lines can be written as y equals to kx plus b. So in the final lesson, we'll bring everything together and solve word problems by creating equations. Thanks for watching and take your time with maths. Bye bye.